In this thought-provoking video, we delve deep into the unparalleled significance of the Quran. We present a comprehensive and systematic guide for future research. Join us on this exploratory journey as we unravel the uniqueness of the Quran and its relevance in today's world. We traverse from its awe-inspiring language to its timeless wisdom, which continues to captivate individuals across cultures and generations. We'll touch upon its historical context, intricate literary features, and the profound impact it has had on societies. As we venture further into our quest, we turn our attention to the methodology of our journey. Our expert panel of researchers and scholars will walk you through key methodologies and valuable resources to explore the Quran's deeper meanings. Whether you're a seasoned researcher or simply curious to understand this sacred text, this guide will equip you with the tools to embark on an enlightening journey. In this scene, we'll delve into various research techniques and scholarly interpretations, highlighting their importance in comprehending the Quran's rich and profound wisdom. We'll also discuss essential resources, like translations and commentaries, that can aid in your exploration. Our panel will elucidate on the significance of context, both historical and cultural, in understanding the Quran. They'll also stress the importance of appreciating the Quran's literary features, its language, and the style of its verses, as these are key to grasping the depth of its message. As we navigate this path of exploration, we invite you to keep an open mind, as the Quran's wisdom is boundless and its teachings are timeless. This journey is not just about understanding a sacred text, but also about gaining insights into life, humanity, and the universe around us. Unlocking the significance of the Quran has never been more critical, fostering understanding between diverse communities and shedding light on the enduring relevance of its teachings. Its awe-inspiring language and timeless wisdom continue to fascinate individuals across cultures and generations. We are about to dive into its historical context, uncover its intricate literary features, and discuss the profound influence it has exerted on societies worldwide. Through reading and interpreting the Quran, transformations in our perspective and comprehension start to emerge. This newfound understanding has massive potential to influence not only individuals, but also educational institutions, redefining how we view religious and cultural education. Imagine how this knowledge, when incorporated into both formal and informal educational curriculums, could become a formidable tool of enlightenment. For example, in Surah Al-Baqarah verse 22, the Quran corroborates the organization of the universe with fixed and constant laws, a principle that we also study in mathematics. Similarly, concepts such as symmetry in mathematics, which are equally represented in the Quran. Verse 7 from Surah Az-Zumar, for instance, speaks of balance and proportion in the universe's creation. With these teachings understanding, we can see how mathematical principles reflect these truths. The possible benefits society can reap from this are immense, of Quranic teachings and their relevance in our lives. Imagine the wisdom derived from viewing the world through the Quran's lens, influencing every aspect of our lives, including education. Let's dive deeper into the potential impact and implications of blending Quranic verses and mathematical principles into our education system. Be sure to like and share this video to spread awareness about this fascinating subject. Join us now as we delve deeper into the mystique surrounding the Quran. As we embark on this exploration, we'll peel back the layers of this sacred text, revealing the extraordinary nature hidden within its verses. As we navigate through the verses, we'll discover the Quran's unique blend of spiritual wisdom and scientific principles. The Quran is not just a spiritual guide, it's a treasure trove of knowledge, a perfect blend of divine wisdom and scientific truths. For instance, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 164, speaks of the creation of the heavens, the earth, and the alteration of night and day. This verse subtly hints at the scientific concept of the Earth's rotation. The Quran, thus, beautifully intertwines science and spirituality, presenting them not as contrasting fields, but as interconnected aspects of life. This journey will not only offer a fresh perspective on the Quran, but also stimulate intellectual curiosity. The Quran's profound wisdom, coupled with its mathematical and scientific insights, will leave you in awe and admiration of its timeless relevance. So hit that play button, and let's begin this enlightening journey together. You're about to witness the Quran in a light you've never seen before. Let's unravel the mysteries of this extraordinary text, one verse at a time. Namun pintu menuju berbagai keuntungan ini terbuka lebar dengan peningkatan kesadaran dan pemahaman tentang Quran. Quran sebuah karya monumental yang penuh dengan hikmah dan petunjuk, bukan hanya sebuah kitab agama, tetapi juga sumber ilmu pengetahuan, termasuk matematika. Panel ahli peneliti dan ulama kami akan membimbing Anda melalui metodologi utama dan sumber daya berharga untuk menjelajahi makna yang lebih dalam dari Quran. Baik Anda seorang peneliti berpengalaman atau hanya penasaran untuk memahami teks suci ini, panduan kami akan membekali Anda dengan alat untuk memulai perjalanan yang penuh pencerahan. Dalam surah Al-Baqarah, ayat 261, kita melihat penggunaan analogi matematika untuk menggambarkan kebajikan. Ayat ini biji yang menumbuhkan 7 tangkai, pada setiap tangkai ada 100 biji. Ini bukan hanya sebuah metafora indah, tetapi juga menunjukkan pemahaman mendalam tentang prinsip-prinsip matematika dan pertumbuhan eksponensial. Kesejahteraan dan harmoni manusia dapat dipengaruhi positif oleh peningkatan kesadaran ini, yang dapat menumbuhkan rasa persatuan dan hormat terhadap ajaran ilahi, meningkatkan pemahaman kita tentang Quran, baik dalam konteks spiritual maupun ilmu pengetahuan seperti matematika, adalah langkah pertama yang sangat berharga dalam proses ini. Dengan pengetahuan kita tentang Quran dan matematika, kita dapat mengambil langkah-langkah positif untuk memahami dunia kita dengan lebih baik dan mencapai harmoni dan unlocking the significance of the Quran has never been more crucial, fostering understanding between diverse communities and shedding light on the enduring relevance of its teachings. To do this, we used a treasure trove of resources, including scientific research, religious texts and related works, to dive into the deeper meanings and contexts behind the Quran's verses. Our main sources of reference were scientific resources, such as journals and research articles, in the fields of biology and astronomy. This allowed us to grapple with the complexities of the cosmos and see how they resonate with the verses of the Quran. Alongside this, religious texts, such as the Quran and Hadith, played a pivotal role in our study, enabling us to formulate interpretations and comprehend the actual context of the verses. We also consulted related works, like Quranic interpretation studies, by esteemed Islamic scholars. This contributed to clarifying and providing a deeper context about the Quranic verses and their connection with the physical and mathematical world. For example, the verse, "And he created everything, and then he perfectly proportioned it," Surah Al-Furqan, verse 2, showcases how the Quran reflects mathematical principles in the creation of the universe. This underlines how our study amalgamates mathematics and the Quran, offering a more profound and broader insight into the distinctiveness and significance of the Quran. The study also reveals the interconnectedness and synergies between mathematics and the Quran. Mathematical principles like sequences and patterns can be found in many Quranic verses, illustrating how the Quran acts as a comprehensive guide, covering all life aspects, including science and mathematics. Consequently, our study not only aids us in understanding the Quran better, but also showcases the width and variety of existing knowledge. Be sure to like and share this video to spread awareness about this fascinating. This idea, hence, doesn't simply serve as a traditional research structure. It acts as a bridge transporting us across the expansive and profound sea that is the Quran. By contributing positively to our comprehension and recognition of the Quran, we are urged to dive further into its verses. The Quran is remarkable, unbelievable. It acts as a storehouse of knowledge and wisdom surpassing our thoughts. Consider how the verses within the Quran detail the application of maths in the formation of the universe. As Allah reveals in Surah Al-Baqarah, indeed in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of night and day, there are signs for those with understanding. This represents a stunning instance of how figures and ratios in the universe mirror the splendor and brilliance of His creation. For instance, the ratios present in the earth and sky, the distances of the stars, and the mathematical patterns are tangible evidence of the beauty and limitless intelligence of God. The path towards understanding the Quran is a lifelong pursuit. It is a journey filled with extraordinary revelations of wisdom and knowledge. With each stride on this path, our comprehension of the Quran becomes deeper and more profound. We learn to appreciate the beauty and wisdom in each verse and how it guides our way through life. As stated in Surah Al-Isra, verse 36, "And do not pursue that of which you have no knowledge. Indeed, the hearing, the sight, and the heart, all these will be held accountable." Thus, the Quran and mathematics walk together, leading us towards a deeper understanding of the universe. Join us as we lift the veil surrounding the Quran and embark on a journey that will leave you with a renewed admiration for its remarkable nature. Press that play button and let's undertake this. As we delve deeper into the realm of the Quran, we find ourselves immersed in a sea of mathematical marvels that are not merely coincidences, but clear signs of divine creation. The Quran isn't just a book of religious guidance, it is also a book of science, filled with hidden mathematical patterns and structures that confirm its divine origin. Let's examine some of these patterns. For instance, the word day appears 365 times in the Quran, perfectly mirroring the number of days in a solar year. The word month appears 12 times, reflecting the number of months in a year. And intriguingly, the words man and woman both appear 23 times each, precisely matching the number of chromosomes from each parent in human DNA. These patterns extend beyond words. The Quran contains 114 chapters, a number divisible by 19, a key Quranic number. Upon further investigation, we find that the first verse, known as Bismillah, consists of 19 Arabic letters. The list goes on, with numerous examples illustrating the Quran's intricate mathematical structure. These mathematical marvels aren't just fascinating patterns, they serve a deeper purpose. They're a testament to the divine nature of the Quran, a sign for those who seek knowledge and understanding. As we continue our journey through the Quran's mathematical wonders, remember that this exploration is not just about finding patterns, it's about appreciating the depth and complexity of the Quran and how it combines spiritual guidance with scientific knowledge. It's about realizing that faith and science do not contradict, but complement each other, leading us towards a deeper understanding of the world and our place within it. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating subject in our upcoming videos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our journey of discovery.